We begin tonight with a developing story out of the town of Boston, where the owners of a beloved farm are picking up the pieces following a devastating fire.
And it sent flames shooting into the sky, and the owners scrambling to save their animals. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Scott Levin.
And I'm Mary Alice Demler. Channel 2's Rob Hackford reports from Boston tonight, where Stillwater Farm is looking to move forward from this loss.
Scott and Mary Alice, the good news is that the owners of Stillwater Farm say they will rebuild after losing their horse barn in that fire Monday morning. Waking up to flames at Stillwater Farm, owner Jay Braymiller's first thought was their animals inside.
We ran around and came in through the back.
Heading into the fire to save 2 horses, 3 goats, 2 pigs, and a donkey.
Inside the barn, you couldn't see your hands in front of your face, so we searched around, feeling for them.
Searching around only by touch and getting everyone out, including Eleanor and Penny Lane. It's been shocking for Braymiller and many others who have come to know this farm for the work they do, hosting picnics and farm visits for kids and families dealing with pediatric cancer through their organization, Care at Stillwater.
We did not do that expecting that we someday would be looking for a hand also.
Braymiller adding they will be okay. The fire is believed to have been caused by an electrical issue, and after cleaning up, they will rebuild, especially given how much support they've received. The farm is also beloved for the dinners they host, which raise money for their work with kids.
Times like this, you find out you've made a lot of good decisions in your life and how you treat people, and not expecting anything in return, but we're so grateful and thankful for this amazing community that we're part of.
They're going into their 6th year of hosting those and bringing people to the farm, where they hope a new horse barn will lead to just as many memories.
And we have had so many wonderful moments with our guests and the children in this barn. You know, that's what we're remembering now.
Braymiller said this season of activities will not be affected by this fire. Tickets for those dinners will go on sale at the start of April. I'll have information about their work with kids, as well as that ticket information on WGRZ.com. Reporting on your side in Boston, Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.